Hello, all. I want to talk to you to talk about another important issue, and that is called annuity. And annuity is, let me bring this one to original format that it was 6%, and it was, we gave Walmart, we gave Amazon $20,000, and we said calculate, and that is what it was originally, and you understood this one. Now we are going to talk about a concept called annuity. The name of annuity comes from annual, and it is more, think about it as a payment. Imagine I am a retired person, and imagine I am, for example, 90 years old, and I assume that I am going to live 10 more years up to age of 100, and I go to Amazon and say, Amazon, I am going to, give you $20,000, and I want you to pay me 6% for 10 years, 6% interest. And I want in such a way that, Amazon doesn't owe me any money to return this $20,000 to me with the interest. And then I click calculate. And what happens is that Amazon is going to give me $2,700 every year. And this is what I am going to get for the next 10 years until I am 100 years old. And do you see at the 10 years, after 10 years, Amazon doesn't owe me anything. Annuity is something that many retired people are interested to, have. And you can think about annuity as a car also. You want to buy a car from the dealer. And you say the dealer says that it wants to give you $20,000 for 10 years. You have to pay it back. The interest rate is 6%. And you click calculate, and the dealer tells you that your payment is 2,717, which means if you pay this, amount every year at the December 31st, that is something that is gonna to, bring your payment to zero after 10 years. You have paid off the money that you borrowed for your car. Therefore, think about annuity just like the money that you borrow or you lend for a car. That's annuity. Therefore, one other concept is there which they call it annuity due. As we said, this is the 2,700 that Amazon is going to deposit the money to my account on December 31st. Imagine Amazon borrowed money on January 1st. At the end of the year, when it is December 31st, Amazon gives me 2,717. Now, because I am a retired person, I tell Amazon, you are waiting too long to give me at the end of the year. I give you $20,000, but on January 1st, I want my first payment rather than waiting until December 31st. I want my first payment to be tomorrow, which is January 2nd. In that case, Amazon will tell me, hey, you are trying to be smart on me, because we can give you at the end of the year. If you want it at the beginning of the year, we are going to pay you less because you are getting the money up at the beginning of the year. Therefore, what Amazon does is that it comes right into this setting. It clicks on setting here, says this person wants his payment or her payment at the beginning rather than at the end. When it says beginning, that is called annuity due. Annuity due means pay the first payment at the beginning, not to the end. If we do that, then Amazon is going to give me less than this month. Let's see how much it will be. I click calculate. Do you see, instead of 2,700, it's going to give me 2,500 because I want my money up front. Therefore, as you see, this is called annuity due. Some of the problems will ask you about annuity due, and you try to see if you can use this calculator to answer those questions. And I have posted discussion board, and please post your assignment on the discussion board. Just follow what I have done. I have assigned you a company. For that company, as I said, change the numbers and suppose, and then explain and follow exactly what I have done. If you don't know how to do it, wait until other students post. After you learn from other students, go ahead and change things. And this is a very important table, a very important calculator, because we are going to use it to solve many problems. And if you understand, I want you to understand what payment is, interest rate in, what is number of periods, what is present value. I want you to know, play with it, and try to learn. And these are some explanations also. Go through these. These are excellent explanations, and you will learn a lot during this semester. We use these calculators regularly. And let me know if you have any questions. There are 4 discussions this week, and here are the discussions. I click on content, and I want you to see these discussions. I am going to make them visible. That way, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then some of these assignments are very easy. There is 1 minute or 2 minutes of videos. That's all you will do. Then you have to click more. You will see more. Don't think it won't be as much, because although it's there, we have a lot of links, but some of them are only 2 minutes video, and you will learn a lot significantly, about finance. Is very important, because that calculator, you use it regularly. You go and buy the car. You want to know what the deal is. You give someone money. You want to know how they are going to pay you back, how much they owe you. Therefore, that calculator is a big part of this finance. This week, we will try our best to learn a lot. We are going to have a big snow tomorrow, and hopefully your employer gives you off, and try to see what you can do. We will try to learn a lot, and let me know if you have any questions. And we have some good news for you. I will have some good news for you maybe on Thursday. But for now, I want you to concentrate on these discussions and learn as much as you can.